So this is our first mukbang that we're ever doing. I hope that this video turns out so that we can do more. But we both ordered so much food and I'm so excited. I haven't had Sonic in so long. It was like kind of a far drive for us, but we're both really excited to eat and have a mukbang. Okay, so we got our food. I got a bag and foot long.
That's really good.
Alright, we're gonna take a thumbnail. So
what the frick was that for?
So I got fries. These fries are actually hot. Like, they're never usually hot. They're always usually like not fresh, but these are actually really good.
Ah, fresh.
So I got fries, a corn dog.
You got to put all the freaking things in here.
Oh, I got 2 corn dogs because they're only 99
ketchup?
cents. It's all in here.
Ketchup me.
And then these are the wings. I wanted to try them because one of the girls I watched said they tasted like B-dubs. So, napkins. Oh yeah, and then the mozzarella sticks. There's 2 mozzarella sticks, so I hope those are good. Oh yeah, there's all the ketchup.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, and then I got a foot-long chili cheese dog. So Squam, tell them what you got.
I got a corn dog, fries, and regular hot dog.
These are actually really good.
Pretzel dog.
They're fresh. Oh, and I got an Oreo peanut butter shake. Do you want this cherry? I don't like cherries. Sure.
Tasty.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Alright.
Oreo peanut butter shake is really good. And I got a Sprite.
I'm gonna start with messiest. Sprite, that's wrong. You go with Coke, not Sprite. Alright, well my fat ass is gonna start with the chili cheese. I'm gonna tie my hair back so I don't get it everywhere. Here,
sticks.
and you don't have a tray.
You want this?
I don't like mozzarella sticks, remember?
Oh, they're pretty good.
High school ruined that for me.
Oh my god. Show the camera.
Yeah, fork.
That looks really good.
You want a bite?
I got my own.
Oh yeah, that's right. But you got a foot long. Looks like all you guys, marathon bar.
These are good.
Shit. I feel like this is gonna be a huge mess. I hope your napkins. Oh, my crime fighting team's ready. Oh, it's so soggy.
Ew!
I told you it's soggy.
You just drooled.
Oh, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten at all today. Except for little chocolates.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm gonna eat this foot long. How many? So I guess step 1 is just to take it out of the... Oh my god. Okay. Roll up the sleeves for this one.
I feel bad for people who watch me. That looks so gross.
It's so good. My fries. Were your fries fresh?
Mm-hmm.
And it's happy hour, so the drinks are half off. And the corn dogs are 99 cents. That's why I got 2 of them. This corn dog, or this chili cheese dog is so good. It's so hard to eat though. Chili cheese dogs are so good.
Too bad they're messy. Yeah, too bad they're delicious. Oh, shit. Yep, they're messy. There's my leggings. Hope you don't bleep that out. Okay, good.
Nope. I'm gonna eat this other mozzarella stick. Now what?
Now I'm going for a pretzel dog.
Pretzel dog?
Mm-hmm. That's delicious.
So she got the pretzel dog. It is a hot dog with cheese and bacon on it in a pretzel bun. And it's supposed to come with grilled onions, but she got it without the onions.
Onions are nasty.
Those are actually really good. The buns they literally taste like a pretzel.
They are pretzel.
It's so good.
Gotta wash it down with some Coke.
How is it?
Really good.
Divine?
Mm-hmm. It's almost been a year since we came here. How's that foot long?
Really good. Who should we give a shout out to?
I don't know.
Shout out to Katie for not being here because she said she was really jealous of us, so.
I was thinking of it. I didn't know if I should say it. I feel bad for her. If she didn't have to work, it would be nice to have her come with us.
In the future.
I think she could probably eat. I haven't really seen her eat a lot, though. What's that dumbass doing? Yeah, just smile and wave, no. That was me, I would have flipped him off instead of just waving at him.
So that's gone.
Ow, bit my cheek.
I hope one of those is the trash.
There's still ketchup in there, though.
Some fries. Yeah, usually every time I get fries, they're always not fresh, so. These are good, though. So do you think you like that one better or the chili cheese?
Probably chili cheese better.
But those are good, though.
Yeah. There's just chili cheese has more flavor. This one's just cheddar.
Okay, now I gotta try these wings. Oh my god.
Ew.
It's a lot of barbecue on those. I don't like my wings or anything with too much sauce, so had sauce on it. So I don't know how I'm gonna like these. But the girl said they tasted like B-dubs, so
Makes your car stink.
it's barbecue.
Yeah, it doesn't
So
smell
I got
like
the honey barbecue.
That's
This is what they look like. It's not bad. I don't think I'd get them again, though.
They don't even look good. Just extremely saucy.
Yeah. It's a little too much sauce for my liking. See how it's like pulled up? So, I mean, like, they're okay. They're wings. They're boneless wings.
Good thing we're going home after this. I gotta take a shit. I'm saving
Oreo peanut butter is so good.
Oh, I'm saving my shake for last.
Okay, now I have to try a corn dog.
Me too. That's like my last thing to eat other than the fries.
It's still warm. It smells like the fair.
Tastes like funnel cake batter.
Wow, it does. Tastes like the fair.
Ooh, I got cheese on it now. Son of a bitch. Prince.
What you want?
Ice cream will be back.
So the corn dogs are pretty good. What do you think?
They're okay. I haven't had one in a long time though. Different from Culver's. Culver's is like more breaded.
I've never had one from Culver's.
They're not as sweet, is what I want to say. Sweet or corny.
They're not as corny.
Yeah. I sound so stupid. I look really fat. That's who is this shit. Damn, you ate that fast.
Do you eat this stuff?
Fries. And I need... Ah, shit. Ketchup is underneath all that shit they threw in here. Damn it.
All my fries are gone.
Not mine. Ketchup.
So the verdict on the mozzarella sticks,
Shit.
they were okay. I definitely like Arby's better. I don't think I'd get them again from here. And I don't think I'd get the wings again from here. I mean, they're not bad wings, but I don't know.
They're just okay.
The shake, though.
I feel like I didn't order
Alex
enough
would really
for
like
this.
this Oreo peanut butter.
Is it really that good?
Mm-hmm.
I stick with the basic chocolate.
You said you feel like you didn't order enough stuff?
I'm like not full yet.
Really?
Yeah.
I have another corn dog if you want it.
No. It's yours, you eat that.
Well, I don't think I'm going to eat it. That's the thing. Here, just have it. Squab's going on corn dog round 2. Because I got 2 of them, but I don't think I can eat it. And they're only 99 cents, so I'm giving her my corn dog. I'm going to try to finish these wings. I just can't get over how good that Oreo peanut butter shake is. It's so good.
Like, it's just, if you don't eat all day and you wait until later in the afternoon to eat, you just feel empty. You eat a lot.
Do they have, like, actual dessert things?
I don't know. I don't think so. No. I think their only specialty is probably the shakes and slushies.
They have ice cream.
What? Oh yeah, I think Carl ordered that last time.
I bet those pretzels, they have pretzels, they look pretty good.
The twisted up?
Yeah. Do you think you'll be full after that?
Mm-hmm. Why?
I'm just wondering. Is that Prince?
Yep. What do you want, you fucking troll?
So the final verdict. Would you do this again?
Probably. I just wouldn't order the shit again. The what do you want to call it? The corn dog. I wouldn't order that again.
Really? You didn't think it was that good?
Uh-uh.
Really? So I thought the corn dogs were good. I don't know if I would order the wings again. I'm not really big on wings. I mean, I like them. I'll eat them. But I definitely prefer hot dogs. How was your chili cheese dog?
They're freaking good.
Chili cheese dogs are always really
again.
good. The fries today were actually really good. They're never usually fresh when we come here. Oreo peanut butter shake, so good. I definitely recommend. What else did I get? The mozzarella sticks were okay. They weren't fresh, so I don't know if I'd get those again either. What else did I get?
I don't know.
Oh, and the corn dogs. I thought the corn dogs were pretty good.
I thought they were too corny.
And if you come 2 to 4, they're 99 cents, so that's good. And then all the drinks are half off, so that's why we got shakes and normal drinks. So yeah, we hope you thought that this video was interesting, or if you like mukbangs, go ahead and tell us where to eat next. And yeah, thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next mukbang.